Alright guys, I want to show you, this is Cat Alley right here. There's two right there. There's a guy right there. There's a white one. Wait, he's blocking him. Here comes one down the steps. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's one on that chair. 7 cats. 8 cats. We are in cat world, guys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, where did these guys go? Hi. Alright guys, I just had to show you Cat Alley real quick. Look at all these fucking cats. Aw.
This one.
Where? Hey. What are you doing? Alright, we should probably go before we get killed.